Hello you guys, today I'm showing you how to make slow cooker honey garlic chicken thighs and potatoes. This is a dump and go recipe. You drop everything into your slow cooker and let the slow cooker do all the work, and in just a few hours you'll have yourself an easy peasy dinner that is absolutely delicious. Let's get started. It's good money shot. Alright you guys, I have my crock pot or slow cooker ready to start cooking. Into the crock pot, I am adding 6 large bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs. It's about 2 pounds of chicken. I already went ahead and sliced 1 large onion. I'm tossing that right in. I'm also adding 1 pound of red baby potatoes. You can also use gold potatoes, and if they're bigger in sizes, make sure you cut them up. Season with 2 teaspoons oregano, salt and pepper to taste. I'm using 2 teaspoons salt and 1 teaspoon black pepper. Drizzle 2 tablespoons of olive oil all over them, then toss everything together. Make sure you mix very well, that way the seasoning isn't sitting on one side. Once everything is mixed in, I'm just going to arrange them nicely. Make sure the skin side of your chicken is facing up. Go ahead and set the slow cooker aside. Then we're going to mix together the honey garlic sauce, which is the star of this recipe. I have 2 tablespoons of lemon juice in this bowl. Into that I am adding 6 cloves of minced garlic, half cup of honey, 1/3 cup of sweet chili sauce, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and last we're adding 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Go ahead and mix everything together. This sauce is so good. It's the perfect combination of sweet and tart. I'm going to grab my slow cooker, then pour the honey garlic sauce all over the chicken and potatoes. I'm going to place the lid on, then we're going to cook this for 4 to 6 hours on high. Okay guys? Alright you guys, so it's been about 5 hours of cooking, and this part is completely optional, but the sauce on the chicken is a little runny. So in order to make it thick, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch mixed with 2 tablespoons of water. This will give the sauce a nice gravy-ish consistency. Mix that in very well, then let this continue cooking. And here we are, we're all done. This meal will make your home smell so good. A little bit of oil will collect on the surface. You can easily skim that off with a spoon. The chicken looks great as it is. It has amazing color, but in order to take an even better picture, I'm going to use my blowtorch to make the outside of the chicken a little brown. You guys don't have to do this. Be careful when you're serving this because the chicken is so soft, it will easily fall apart. I served this over yellow rice. It was really good. The flavor is so delicious. This is such an easy peasy dinner recipe. The chicken came out really good. If you guys would like to make this, check the description box. I have all the ingredients and measurements there.